Want the best auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Eubank Acres area? If you are searching for an auto body repair shop in Round Rock's Eubank Acres area, you've come to the right place. Watch this auto body shop video for Round Rock, Texas Eubank Acres service, collision repair services quotes. As an automobile proprietor, it is your obligation to look for specialist aid for auto repair solutions whenever required. This is due to the fact that the innovative modern technologies used in automobiles calls for a professionally trained technician to remedy them if the demand emerges, and also looking for inexperienced aid might do even more injury than excellent. While we could assume that describing a user's manual is all we require to obtain the essentials right in our automobile, it's constantly far better to see a vehicle service center, as one action failed can create chaos over the full performance of your automobile. It is best to seek a firm that has considerable experience in this sector, and also which has a heritage of consumer contentment. It's constantly far better to be secure than sorry when it comes to something as vital and also pricey as an automobile. In addition to normal maintenance and also upkeep, there are various other solutions that can be executed by a vehicle service center. The demand for vehicle crash fixing is just one of the most awful problems for any kind of automobile proprietor. Nonetheless, with the reputable solutions of specialist technicians coming to you, you can recover your automobile back to being like brand new, without needing to invest a lot of money. It is necessary to make certain that all the tools, paints, structures, etc., made use of are of the most effective top quality, which the Vehicle Service Center has the essential framework, such as humidity control, required for the procedure. Vehicle Information Solutions can do you an entire globe of excellent if you enjoy your collection of wheels, and also would certainly such as to delight in some luxurious treatment. Right from getting rid of sticking around smells, this procedure drapes and also shields your automobile's insides, making it spotless. You can conserve a great deal of cash by picking innovative touch-up strategies and also rubbing approaches with no swirl warranty, which conserves the demand for a repaint. The solution of paintless damage fixing, PDR, located at some vehicle service center is additionally a terrific means to obtain excellent automobile outsides on a spending plan. See to it that the solution is executed by trained PDR professionals. You can additionally gain from a host of added automobile fixing solutions relying on your demands, that include indoor and also furniture fixing, and also windscreen fixing. A specialist vehicle service center is one area that you most definitely will not be sorry for driving your automobile right into. Quality collision repair near my home for Round Rock, Texas Eubank Acres. Come by a local auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Eubank Acres area to get your vehicle repair quote now. This is a page on auto body shop in Round Rock Eubank Acres. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.